When you hear the name Stradale Modena, your mind probably jumps straight to the old Ferrari 360 Challenge Stradale, right? Totally understandable, but this one has nothing to do with Ferrari. This Stradale Modena is actually a small Italian crew that takes the Jeep Wrangler and Gladiator and gives them a full-on Brabus-style makeover. Basically, they take America's most iconic off-roader and dress it up with a bold Italian attitude. Their lineup is simple: the GTX for the Wrangler and the Xtrema for the Gladiator. Both come with custom body kits and refreshed interiors. From the front, the Jeep already looks different. A deeper bumper, bigger air intakes, wide fenders, roof-mounted LEDs, a rear spoiler, and a sportier bumper with a diffuser and quad exhaust tips. The look is still familiar, still very Jeep, but with a strong look-at-me vibe. A lot of the detail, the intakes, vents, and grille shapes, clearly take inspiration from Brabus, and that becomes even more obvious with the custom grille and circular emblem. If you want, you can even add a hood scoop. All of this can be finished in piano black or carbon fiber, depending on how wild you want to go. Both the Wrangler and Gladiator sit on aftermarket alloy wheels wrapped in chunky 35-inch tires. If you want something bigger and meaner, you can upgrade to 37's Stradale Modena. Also adds reinforced suspension and a custom exhaust to match the aggressive look. Under the hood, things start with familiar Jeep engines. The 2.0-liter Turbo 4 for the Wrangler and the 3.6-liter V6 offered on both models. But if you want real power, you can go for a V8 swap, either the 6.4-liter Hemi 392 or the supercharged 6.2-liter Hellcat. And yeah, the Hellcat brings 707 horsepower, which turns these Jeeps into absolute monsters. Fun? Definitely. Dangerous if you're not careful? Also yes. Inside, the cabins get a full makeover with leather and Alcantara, contrast stitching, carbon fiber trim, and optional upgrades like a better infotainment system, premium sound, and more driver assist features. Now, the price. The Wrangler-based GTX starts at 97,000 euros, and the Gladiator Xtrema starts at 100,000 euros. Once you add the V8 options, the numbers climb fast. 34,500 euros for the Hemi 392 and 78,800 euros for the Hellcat. Fully loaded, the SUV version hits around 292,000 euros, and the truck goes up to about 294,000 euros. That puts these Jeeps in real luxury territory. Still not Brabus G-Class expensive, but definitely not cheap. For those wondering, Stradale Modena is based in Emilia-Romagna, Italy, and they also work with partners in the Middle East and West Africa who can handle orders. And yeah, the GTX was shown at last year's SEMA show. So if you saw clips from that event, you might have already caught a glimpse of it.